Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students of class 6. Today is Wednesday and the date is 20th November 2024. You must have in your mind that we are doing exercise 6B, and yesterday we started this exercise. We solved one of the examples of it and then we did question number 1 of this exercise 6B. I want to know that whether you people have got the correct concept, clear concept, strong understanding of this, the question number 1 which we solved yesterday, or not. But for your convenience, I would like to solve one more relevant example before progressing towards the actual question number 2 of exercise 6B. See, it is very important to clarify the concepts there and then. आपको एक ही दफ़ा में strong understanding develop हो जाए, then only then you are able to solve the complicated questions. ठीक है, complications से घबराना नहीं है, जाहिर है you have to step forward in each and every lesson, so it is very important to progress in life. Okay, before starting question number 2, I want to discuss and I want to solve one example related to this exercise. Then you'll see that it will help you develop a clear understanding of the concept. Okay, now first of all, let me write the example. Y plus b y plus b is equal to ay plus c over b. Now tell me, what is different here? What is different here? They all are variables. Exactly. Very good, Aima. They all are variables. See, these are alphabets. These are variables. Numbers are constants. यहाँ कोई constant मिल रहा है आपको? नहीं मिल रहा. They are all variables. It means that their value will change. ठीक है? We have to find the value of C when we have value of A, B, and Y. What are the values of A, B, and Y? A is 14, B is 3, and Y is 12. See, this is how we will find out the value of C here. अब C तो ये बिल्कुल एंड पे गया, छुप के बैठा गए. हमने क्या करना है? We have to find out the value of C by putting in and by using the values of A, B, and Y. What is the next step? Aisha, what is the next step? What are we going to do after this? When we have the values of the variables, what are we going to do now? Exactly, we'll put the values of variable in the particular places. What is the value of y? 12 plus value of b 3 equals to value of a 14. अब a y है. Very good, Subhan. We will multiply a with y. Simply 12 plus c तो हमने, we have to find out the value of c, which will be written as it is over b. What is the value of b? 3. Clear up till now? Okay. Fatma, 12 plus 3. 15. Good. 14 multiplied by 12. Correct, sir. Hurry up, quickly. Solve it on your own and tell me the answer. Do you want me to solve it here on the rough work corner? In the rough work corner? Okay, let's try it all together. 14 multiplied by 12. 2 fours are Burhan. For 8, 2 ones are 2. Here we will cross. 1 fours are 4, 1 ones are 1. 8, 4 plus 2, 6 and 1. So 14 multiplied by 12 is 168 plus C over 3. Clear? Now see, we have to make it simpler. So this 3 will go to this side and it will, here it is dividing. It is acting like a divisor. And when we shift it here, it will turn into multiplicand. So 3 multiplied by 15 is equal to 168 plus C. देखो अब आसान हो गया ना? It's very simple now. What is 3 multiplied by 15? What is 3 multiplied by 15 or 15 multiplied by 3? Awais? Very good. It is 45 is equal to 168 plus C. Now we have to find the value of C and we have to make it alone on this particular side. तो इसके साथ जो 168 है उसको क्या करें उसको? It's having a sign of plus in it. We'll shift it to the other side and it will then get subtracted to this side. 45 minus 168 is equal to C. What is the answer of 45 minus 168? Boys and girls? कैसे आया? 168 minus 45. 8 minus 5 is 3. 6 minus 4 is 2 and 1. So the value of C will be minus 123. अब आप बताएं मुझे माइनस में क्यों ले आए? क्यों ले आए माइनस? यहाँ तो कहीं नहीं था. Yes, Mohammed Gaur, you are right, because we have subtracted a bigger number from a smaller number. बड़े नंबर में से जब हम छोटे नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, माइनस करते हैं, तो हमें क्या साइन मिलता है? माइनस का. ठीक है, क्योंकि साइन हम वो इस्तेमाल करेंगे जो बड़े नंबर के साथ होगा. फाइन? ओके, सो द आंसर इज minus 123. Is it clear? Now let me revise it once again. We had this equation and we had to find out the value of C provided with the value of A, B and Y. We put the value of particular variables at their respective places and made it simplified. इसका solution हमने निकाला, required operations किए and got the value from C. This is how we do this. When a value of variable is to be calculated, we have to go step by step, moving further towards the solution. Okay, now we'll be doing question number 2, exercise 6b. Let me erase the board within a while. Okay, question number 2 is, now the board is all set. Question number 2. A is equal to y square minus xz over 5, and we have to find out the value of a here. So but they have provided us the value of other variables. It is x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1, z is equal to minus 3, right? So this is my register, by the way, on which I used to solve and practice the exercises before delivering my lesson. So homework is very important. Teacher ho ya student ho, both should do homework before attending the class. Fine? So आप लोग भी जब स्कूल आते हैं ना, you have to come prepared. You have to be ready for whatever question is to be asked. By whatever question teachers ask you, you should be ready to give the answer, because when you come prepared, you have no fear of question. अगर आप तैयारी नहीं करके जाएंगे तो ज़ाहिर कुछ भी नहीं फिर आप प्रोड्यूस कर पाएंगे. So it is very important. Homework is very important. Okay, moving on. ये तो बात हो गई homework की. अब इस क्वेश्चन को how do we have to solve it? Exactly, we will be putting in the values of different variables at their particular places and resolving it. So automatically एक अब आज अकेला है हमारे पास, यहाँ पे our variable is all alone. We are just putting in values of these particular variables up in their respective places and solving it immediately. A is equal to y की जगह पे हम क्या लिखेंगे? minus 1 square minus x is 2 and z is minus 3 over 5, right? Now see, a is equal to, what is the square of 1? 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, and minus multiplied by minus, it changes into plus. So it will become 1, minus and minus, plus 2 plus, 2 multiplied by 3, 2 multiplied by 3 is 6 over 5. Now a is equal to 6 plus 1 or 1 plus 6 is 7 over 5. So can you divide mass? Arham? It's very easy. Of course it's very easy. 7 divided by 5. 5 1 times 5 and the remainder is 2. So how to write it? One whole number 2 over 5. I'm sure that you know that this is the whole number, this is the remainder, and this is the divisor, the one who is dividing. Okay, this is the answer. A is equal to 2 over 5. Please solve that quickly in your notebooks. Quickly, we have to do the next question as well. Question number 3. It is very easy. That is why I have just taken a shorter period of time to solve it. Okay students, now instead of doing question number 3 and 4, we will do question number 5 because it's a bit easier, and I want you to complete it because the first question was a bit difficult, so that we overload ना हो जाए आप लोग. So I thought कि ये आपको मैं पहले करा दूँ because this is quite easy. This is just related to the basic concepts, right? Find the formula for each of the following. Number A is product P of three numbers x, y and z. What do we mean by product and how do we find the product? Yes, very good, Anasvakas. We mean, product means the result of multiplication. Okay, product means to multiply. Find the product of 5 and 3, it will be 15. So product means that we have to do multiplication. So we have to find the value of P एक इक्वेशन हमने फॉर्मूला डेवलप करना है जिससे हमने बताना प्रोडक्ट P ऑफ 3 नंबर्स x y। So P is equal to x multiplied by y multiplied by z, that will make a product। अगर हम u लिखते हैं, is it clear? X multiplied by y multiplied by z, there is no sign in between. It shows that it's a product. P is equal to x, y, z. Okay. Now moving towards B. Part B is sum s of the square sum s of the square of P and the cube of Q. And the cube of Q. Sum s. It means s. We have to generate or develop a formula in which we will find that s is equals to what? It is written sum s of the square of P and the cube of Q. So s is equal to square of P means P square. Sum means product means addition. Sum means addition. Very good. Sum means addition plus Q. Cube of Q. Cube means 3. S is equal to P square plus Q cube. See sum s of the square P and the cube of Q. S is equal to P square plus Q cube. Let me erase the board and we'll do its part C also. Now part C is average A of 4 numbers M, N, P, Q. Average A of 4 numbers M, N, P, Q. Do you know that how do we find an average? आपके मार्क्स की एवरेज निकलती है ना रिजल्ट में, कैसे करते हैं? Can someone tell me that how do you find the average marks when you get your result? Percentage हम कैसे निकालते हैं? Percentage is something else. Average marks कैसे निकलते हैं? Can you tell me? I'm waiting. Yes, Ania? Very right, very right. All of your marks are added together and then they are divided with the total number of marks. है ना? ऐसे ही होता है. Have you ever done that? Result जब मिलता है कुछ करते हैं? Try to do that. Average में we just add all of the things together and divide with the total number of things. For example, here we have 4 variables M, N, P, Q. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. What will be the average? A, M plus N plus P plus Q over कितने 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So this is the average A, M plus N plus P plus Q over 4. We divide all the numbers together. Sorry, we add all the numbers together and divide with the total numbers to find the average. Okay, now the number D, part D. Part D is time T in minutes. In minutes, time T in minutes hours, B minutes. Time taken minutes for a train journey of A hours, B minutes. A hours, B minutes. And we have to find the time in minutes. इसमें हमने hours को minutes में change करना है, ठीक है? So think about it. What can be the possible answer? What can be the possible answer? We have to find the time t in minutes. A hours, B minutes. So t is equal to 60 A प्लस B. अब 1 घंटे में कितने मिनट होते हैं? हाँ जी बिल्कुल 60 मिनट्स होते हैं. B minutes, A hour, 60 minute. A hour, B minute. So this is how you find this formula for T. T is equal to 60A plus B. I hope the things are clear now. What you have to do is, you have to revise and practice the same, maybe the same sums at your home, or you may try out these solutions with different values, so that you can, solve the complicated sums as well. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.